Hold on.
Hey, Rebecca Berman with Cooking in Cars, and today I'm here with my friend Stacy.
Hi.
Hey Stacy, and Stacy's a real estate broker here in Westchester, and she works for William Ravis. So I asked her to come in my car and see what I'm cooking up. What's going on today?
Well, today is such a busy day, so I'm super excited to be here with you. What am I supposed to do? I'm taking buyers out today. I won't be home till probably dinner, 5, 6 o'clock,
right.
And I'm starving all day long. I'll take a bar here or there, but I came here today to see what you had in store for me.
Okay, so yeah, a bar is not going to be filling enough. So I have this great shake that I wanted Stacy to try, and we kind of already like pre-put the ingredients in my Oster blender, which I've had for like, I don't know, 27 years. I don't mean to date myself.
Ooh.
But I put in a cup of almond milk.
Okay.
Okay.
Write that down.
Then I put in this Noosh, Noosh almond butter, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's birthday cake flavor, and it's so yummy. And I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right because I'm really not good at pronouncing.
Keto friendly. All right,
pronouncing words.
In.
Oh, keto friendly. I didn't even know that. Okay.
Okay, then we put in.
So, yeah. So
ice.
then we put in ice. Oh yeah. So we have some cups to pour our shake into.
Okay. And what if I have a sweet tooth?
What is our secret ingredient?
I have a
that we
sweet
have?
tooth, then
Okay.
I can't be eating candy all day long.
So I told Stacy blueberries go a long way. They have a lot of fiber in them. And our powder, our protein powder. What did I introduce you to today, Stacy?
Okay, I'm very excited.
Okay, so this is this new thing called F Factor powder. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the light, but it's the vanilla flavor, and I just put a scoop of it in, which we just did before we went on camera.
Yeah.
And they also have chocolate, and I think they're coming out with like a plain one, but I really like the vanilla the best when you're making a shake.
Okay.
So Stacy,
but I'm a little nervous for fiber.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so we can't put too much fiber.
I only put in one because she's going to be in her car all day, and I don't want her to have to use people's bathrooms.
Although some of them are pretty gorgeous.
Well, that is true. So maybe actually I should put in 2 scoops for her.
Later.
Okay, so let's blend it up.
Okay. Here we go.
Yum.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Okay.
So let's see how this goes.
All right, so let's see how this tastes.
Okay.
I love cooking in my car. It's so fun.
Thank you. Perfect. Oh my God, that looks
Okay,
delicious.
you just have to first taste it.
Delicious. Taste
Okay.
first.
Wait.
All right,
We have to do a cheers.
Cheers to
Jinx.
to cooking in your cars and to selling houses and
to friendship.
And to exactly friendship. So
Cheers.
cheers. Have a great day.
It's really good. How
yummy.
crazy is
That
that when
is
you cook something in your car? Okay, see you guys later. Happy eating.